The long-anticipated debut of Tesla's 2025 Model Y Juniper has finally arrived, and it's far from just a standard refresh. This is a bold evolution of one of Tesla's most popular vehicles, setting new standards in the electric vehicle (EV) market. With sweeping changes to both the exterior and interior, alongside improved efficiency and innovative technology, the Model Y Juniper is redefining what consumers expect from EVs. What makes this upgrade so remarkable? Tesla hasn't simply fine-tuned the Model Y, it has reimagined it, delivering a vehicle that embodies the future of driving. From the sleek and modern design elements to enhanced performance and comfort, the 2025 Model Y Juniper is a glimpse into the next generation of Tesla innovation. If you're as excited about the EV revolution as we are, don't forget to hit subscribe on Next Gen Auto Gear for more updates on groundbreaking tech. Let's dive into the details that make the 2025 Model Y Juniper truly stand out. One of the most talked about aspects of the Juniper refresh is the significant redesign of its exterior. Tesla has focused on modernizing the car's appearance while improving functionality. The new headlights and taillights are standout features, giving the Model Y a futuristic edge. The rear now features a full-width LED light bar, replacing the traditional Tesla emblem with a bold wordmark. This design choice not only enhances the car's modern aesthetic but also ensures it stands out on the road. The headlights have also undergone a dramatic upgrade. Matrix LED projectors now sit lower on the vehicle's front fascia, creating a sharper and more aggressive look. These split low and high beam lights offer superior illumination, making nighttime driving safer and more comfortable. But Tesla didn't stop there. Adaptive headlight technology now adjusts the beam based on steering angle and speed, ensuring maximum visibility on winding roads and in unpredictable conditions. The front bumper has been reimagined with an emphasis on aerodynamics. Tesla has incorporated smoother lines and integrated contours to reduce drag while enhancing stability at higher speeds. These improvements not only boost efficiency but also align with Tesla's clean, minimalist design philosophy. Another notable update is the inclusion of advanced acoustic glass. This technology reduces wind and road noise, making the cabin quieter and more serene, even at highway speeds. Paired with redesigned wheels and tires optimized for aerodynamics and low rolling resistance, these updates contribute to a smoother, more energy-efficient ride. Tesla has also introduced new color options, including Quicksilver, Midnight Cherry, and Light Gold Metallic, giving buyers greater opportunities to personalize their vehicles. These fresh hues add to the futuristic vibe of the Juniper and reflect Tesla's commitment to innovation in every detail. Step inside the 2025 Model Y Juniper, and you'll immediately notice how Tesla has redefined the cabin experience. The interior upgrades are centered on luxury, comfort, and advanced technology, creating a space that feels both futuristic and inviting. One of the most exciting additions is the upgraded rear passenger display, which has grown to 8.8 inches. This larger screen provides rear passengers with seamless control over entertainment options, climate settings, and other features. Long drives are now more enjoyable, with access to streaming services like Netflix and YouTube right at their fingertips. Tesla has also introduced ventilated rear seats for the first time in the Model Y lineup. These seats are designed with high-quality, breathable materials that keep passengers cool during the summer and warm in the winter. Each seat now features adjustable angles and personalized temperature controls, allowing passengers to tailor their comfort levels with ease. The infotainment system in the Model Y Juniper has also received a major upgrade. Enhanced voice recognition technology makes interacting with the car's features more intuitive than ever before. Simple commands can now adjust climate settings, select music, or provide real-time weather updates, all without taking your hands off the wheel. For families, Tesla has added more storage compartments and wireless charging ports for passengers. These practical additions ensure that every journey, whether a short commute or a cross-country road trip, is as convenient as possible. The 2025 Model Y Juniper isn't just about style, it's a powerhouse of performance and efficiency. Tesla has made significant advancements in aerodynamics, achieving a 3 to 5% reduction in drag. The drag coefficient now stands at an impressive 0.219, one of the lowest in its class. These aerodynamic improvements translate to better energy efficiency, allowing the Model Y Juniper to deliver a range of nearly 400 miles per charge. This 10 to 12-mile increase from previous versions gives drivers more confidence when planning long trips. Tesla's continued focus on range optimization ensures that the Model Y remains a leader in the EV market. Tesla has also refined the car's suspension system for a smoother and more comfortable ride. This, combined with the acoustic glass and redesigned wheels, minimizes road noise and vibrations, making the Juniper one of the quietest and most enjoyable vehicles to drive. Cooling efficiency has also been improved, particularly for high-performance driving scenarios. These refinements not only enhance the car's longevity but also improve battery performance, ensuring that the Model Y Juniper continues to deliver top-tier performance in all conditions. Tesla has always been a brand that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and the Model Y Juniper is no exception. What's surprising, however, is that the starting price is expected to range between $33,000 and $35,000, significantly lower than the current Model Y's starting price of $40,000. This price reduction is thanks to Tesla's innovative manufacturing processes at its gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, and Shanghai. These state-of-the-art facilities use advanced automation and optimized production techniques, allowing Tesla to lower costs without compromising quality. With production expected to ramp up by 20 to 30%, Tesla is targeting a first-quarter 2025 release for the Model Y Juniper. This combination of affordability, innovation, and performance makes it clear that Tesla aims to bring premium EVs to a broader audience. The 2025 Model Y Juniper represents more than just a new car. It's a milestone in Tesla's journey toward making EVs the standard for transportation. Every detail, from the sleek design to the advanced technology, reflects Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Juniper refresh not only makes the Model Y more appealing to a wider audience but also solidifies Tesla's position as a leader in the EV market. Whether you're an existing Tesla fan or new to the EV world, the 2025 Model Y Juniper offers something for everyone: cutting-edge innovation, unmatched efficiency, and a price point that challenges the competition. Tesla has once again raised the bar with the 2025 Model Y Juniper. This isn't just a refresh. It's a bold reimagining of what an electric vehicle can be. With its futuristic design, advanced interior features, and improved performance, the Juniper is set to revolutionize the EV market. What excites you most about the Model Y Juniper? Share your thoughts in the comments below.